guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to talk about braid waves and more specifically braid waves for people with thinner hair. So when I say braid waves, I mean braiding your hair for a longer period of time with the intention of getting waves in the end. This is a very beloved heatless or overnight curling technique for people with very long and thick hair because it gives them absolutely beautiful waves that are really easy to do. It's a very easy method to sleep in. It's good for the hair unless you have thin hair. If you've ever tried braid waves on thin hair, you know it's not that good of a look. On me, when I do it, what happens is that I have pretty nice waves, admittedly. But through here, everything underneath here is just kinks, which get smaller and smaller and smaller until it's just frizz at the lower part and then stick straight ends underneath that. But there is a way to make it work and I'm going to share that with you today. And all we are going to need for that is just a scarf. And this is going to help bulk out the braid, make it actually provide the shape and fullness that you need to get these waves. I have a scarf here that is a little bit longer than my hair. If you have something that is about the same length as your hair, you'll be absolutely fine. This is a square scarf, so I'm just going to fold it so that it's as long as possible. And I'm going to take one of the points and I'm just going to bobby pin this to the front of my head so that it holds. And now I'm going to French braid my hair. And as I'm doing that, I'm going to treat the scarf as my third strand. So basically what I'm going to do for starters here is to create two sections on both sides of my head. And I'm going to braid with the scarf as well. And we are going to do a French braid because I do like my waves all over my head and not just on my ends. So as I'm doing a French braid, I am not going to be adding any hair to the scarf. So I'm just going to braid that straight away. But on the other end here, I am going to add a little bit of extra hair, like I would for a normal French braid. Pull it over. And then on this side, I also have hair on the outside, so I'm going to add some more to that. And braid it. Now on this end, again, there's just the scarf, so I'm just going to braid that. But add a little bit of hair to this section. And a little bit of hair to this one. And I'm just going to go all the way down my hair in this way. When I've added all the hair, I'm just going to finish this braid all the way down, a normal simple braid, still using the scarf as my third strand. I'm going to finish it as far down as I can, so until I completely run out of hair. And you really want to go as far down as you possibly can in order to avoid getting those stick straight ends at the end of your waves. So when I have reached the bottom of my hair, I'm going to take a little hair elastic and tie this all off. And that is it. There is your French braid that you can use to wave your hair. Now, since I have a little bit of scarf left still, I sometimes like to just take this and tie it on top here so that my hairstyle is a little bit more compact. I'm going to sleep with this in tonight and tomorrow morning I'll come back and show you the result so that you can see how the waves look. But I did just want to show you an alternative way to do this if your hair is even thinner than mine, because there's definitely something you can do for that as well and it'll still come out looking nice. But instead of using the scarf as one of your three strands, we're going to use the scarf as two of the three strands and just use all of your hair as the third strand. So for that technique, I am going to put the center of the scarf here on the front of my head. You can just bobby pin it down, make sure it's secured. And then I'm going to take my hair, both sides, and I'm going to join these two sides together in the back to create one section. And then I'm going to start braiding that with the other two. And since now we only have one strand, I'm only going to be adding hair every time that is on the outside. And here is my braid with two strands scarf and 1 strand of hair. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning with the results. Good morning. Here is what my hair looks like the next day. It has slipped out a little bit over on here, but other than that I feel like the braid is still in, which is good. So let's take a look at the results and the curls that I got, or waves rather. Here we go, braid waves. Let me just come up a little bit higher so you can see my ends, and I'm going to show you from the back. I did apply some setting lotion to my hair yesterday night, just the same one that I always use, the Lotta Body, mixed with some water. Spritzed that onto my hair and then I braided it with the scarf, and this is the result. Some really nice summery beach waves. I feel like this is a very kind of, messy, beachy look. And here's what it looks like with a tiny bit of styling. So that is it, guys. That is how you can do braid waves on thinner hair. So I really hope you enjoyed this little tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!